In front of me is Black Shark Pad 7, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. First of all, go into Tap menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Now look for location shortcut, and once you find it, click on it. Then choose Turn On in the pop-up and go back into Tap menu to see that your shortcut turned blue. That means that location is on, but you can always switch it off by clicking on the same one, hitting Close in the pop-up and waiting for it to turn gray. If you wish, you can also go into Settings, scroll to click on Location section over here and click on this switcher next to Use Location to switch it on or turn it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!